Yung MIMO antenna guys, medyo mababa lang guys, medyo mababa lang kasi yung ano, yung kawayan. Ayan guys, mag speed test tayo sa ating MIMO antenna kung malakas ba. Ayan guys, nagka-connecting na kung hanggang saan guys yung abot yung palo niya guys. 7.65 download. Okay, normal naman siya guys. Pangalawang speed test guys, kung hanggang saan abot. Pumapalo siya guys ng 9.06 Mbps yung download, yung upload to 0.95. Yung guys, pangatlong speed test yan guys, pumapalo siya ng 3C. Yan guys, 11.49 yung Mbps sa download. Yung upload is 2.75 Mbps. Okay guys, normal naman yung ating signal. Yan guys, titesting natin yung signal kung malakas ba guys dito sa YouTube. Play natin to guys. Walang sound yan guys para hindi tayo maka-copyright. Malakas naman siya guys. Play tayo guys ng ibang video. Ito guys, malakas guys, walang loading guys. Nag-advance pa siya guys. Loading. Play tayo guys ng iba. Ito ang HD. Malakas talaga guys. Lakas guys yung ating antenna na MIMO antenna. In order lang natin guys sa Shopee. Okay guys, okay, ganda guys. Yung ating signal sa ating Globe at Home prepaid wifi. Yan, pero malakas na guys yung ano niya, yung connection.